probably thinking, what the fuck is this? Listen, I know I look stupid too. I gotta protect myself, you know? I gotta protect my identity from them and their little listeners. I think there's one of them outside right now, actually. The reason I'm making this video is basically to say, first off, I have a YouTube channel now, but secondly, I want to do something about this. I don't want to just be confined, you know? So, you know what I have? You know what I still have? I still have this. That is Andrew Colton's tape that he left me. You can see it says 183 on there, right in there on the tape, but I'm going to listen to that. I'm just going to try to listen to it. I don't have a tape player. I think I'm going to find some means of listening to it next time. But what I want to say is I'm going to try to get my message out before they eventually take me down, because I know that's going to happen. It will, and I can see it coming. But just know that I will be posting every 20 days like I do with my podcast, because with that podcast, the reason I'm here is because they took the podcast away. They got into my head and they said, oh, the podcast isn't a good idea anymore, because I think they've slipped something in my food, or they have access to me and my thoughts. But that's not important. What's important is I have a YouTube channel now. Isn't that fun? I do have a plan for when this eventually stops working. You'll know. So, until then, or until next time, I guess, I have been the Nameless Man. This has been the Nightingale Veil.